INPEX, one of Japan's largest energy development companies. As the world pursues an energy transition to net zero, we strive to provide a stable supply of lower carbon energy and realize a responsible energy transition that is sustainable and environmentally friendly. At the INPEX Japan Nagaoka Field Office, our top priority is the safe and stable operation of oil and natural gas development projects in Japan. At the same time, we are committed to meeting Japan's energy challenges into the future. Welcome to the INPEX Japan Nagaoka Field Office. Today, we will introduce the role of the Nagaoka Field Office and how gas is produced here. At the INPEX Japan Nagaoka Field Office, where you are now, we are engaged in the development of oil and natural gas, which consists of exploration, drilling, evaluation, development, production, and transportation. As one of the largest natural gas production sites in Japan, this facility encompasses the entire supply chain. The history of natural gas in this area dates back to a time when the Japanese archipelago was still submerged under the sea. As undersea volcanoes erupted, their lava cooled and hardened in the seawater to form volcanic rock. This is the main natural gas reservoir of the Minami-Nagaoka Gas Field. There are numerous formations underground, but this particular natural gas reservoir lies between 4,000 and 5,000 meters below the surface. It is called green tuff because its rocks are greenish in color. Green tuff is covered by cap rock, a solid layer of rock that does not allow gas to pass through. This dense cap rock has prevented natural gas from reaching the surface, causing it to accumulate beneath the rock and form a natural gas reservoir in Minami-Nagaoka. Green tuff containing natural gas is very unusual, even on a global scale. It can be described as a miracle of nature. Geological studies of the Minami-Nagaoka gas field began in the 1970s, followed by exploratory drilling. Exploratory drilling refers to trial operations to locate a natural gas formation. Wells dug for this purpose are called exploratory wells. To drill a well, a huge rig must first be installed. In drilling operations, a drill head called a drill bit is attached to the end of a drill pipe. The drill bit is rotated to dig into the ground. The center of the drill pipe is hollow, and special drilling mud is pumped into it with a high-pressure pump. This mud jets out of nozzles on the drill bit, and the rock cuttings are lifted to the surface. Through geological studies that began in the 1970s, we know that the Minami-Nagaoka gas field is the largest natural gas field in Japan. 6 kilometers long, 3 kilometers wide, and 1 kilometer thick. The area beneath the Minami-Nagaoka gas field is thought to look like this. In the Minami-Nagaoka gas field, there are exploratory wells, which were drilled during geological surveys, and development wells, which were drilled for production. These two types of wells constitute the production wells that produce natural gas. In addition to the well sites that produce gas, the Minami-Nagaoka gas field at the Nagaoka Field Office mainly consists of the Koshijihara Plant and Oyazawa Plant for gas refining, and the Sekihara Plant where gas is injected and extracted, serving as underground storage for a portion of the natural gas produced from the Minami-Nagaoka gas field. Let's take a look at the role of each facility. First are the production wells in the well sites. These facilities use pressure to facilitate the flow of light oil and natural gas from 4,000 to 5,000 meters underground. Here, Christmas trees are installed to control the natural gas flowing to the surface. They are so named because the shape of their valves and other parts resemble Christmas trees. Numerous valves are used to safely shut down gas production in an emergency. When the valves on this Christmas tree are opened, the gas is released under pressure and flows to the surface. The natural gas that flows from the Christmas tree enters the plant through flow lines, well stream lines that connect to the plant. Once at the plant, the gas enters a facility called a separator. Here, natural gas, water, and condensate are separated from each other. Condensate is a very light liquid hydrocarbon produced from natural gas fields and oil fields. It normally exists as a gas underground, but it condenses into a liquid when the pressure and temperature drop as it rises to the surface. After natural gas passes through the separator, it still contains CO2 gas and other impurities, so the CO2 gas must be removed in the CO2 gas removal unit. This unit contains a chemical agent called an amine solution that removes CO2 gas. When natural gas passes through it, only the CO2 gas is absorbed. After that, water and other impurities are removed. The heat content is adjusted in the refrigeration unit, and the refined gas is sent out to the pipeline. Natural gas refined at the Minami-Nagaoka Gas Field is sent to city gas companies and manufacturing plants in various regions. The total length of our pipeline network is approximately 1,500 kilometers. Condensate, a light liquid hydrocarbon that is separated from natural gas in the plants, is transported by trucks to the oil terminal in Naoetsu. It is utilized as a raw material for petroleum products such as gasoline, naphtha, and diesel fuel. Although the Minami-Nagaoka Gas Field has one of the largest gas reserves in Japan, as natural gas is produced over the years, the pressure in the formation drops, decreasing its gas production capacity. Therefore, the Minami-Nagaoka Gas Field uses a technique called low-pressure extraction to maintain gas production. The greater the difference between the pressure in the formation and the pressure above ground, the greater the force pushing the gas out, allowing more natural gas to be produced. This characteristic can be exploited in gas fields where formation pressure has decreased. By reducing the pressure in the above-ground extraction facilities, we can increase gas production. This is how low-pressure extraction works. At the Nagaoka Field Office, we are working to improve the efficiency of the gas supply by expanding our facilities for low-pressure extraction. The Koshijihara Plant also functions as Japan's first underground natural gas storage facility. The plant is currently operated in coordination with the volume of liquefied natural gas, LNG, received at the Naoetsu LNG terminal. When demand exceeds supply, gas stored at the Koshijihara plant is extracted. On the other hand, when excess gas is generated, it is injected into the reservoir. In this manner, we are building infrastructure for the stable supply of natural gas by conducting injection and extraction operations as needed. The Nagaoka Field Office is an energy hub that produces natural gas and condensate under strict control 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, operating continuously to ensure a stable energy supply and safe energy production. Our office is also involved in activities that benefit the local community, such as protecting Nagaoka's rich natural resources and bounties. We are committed to supporting the local community through forest management activities and by sponsoring the Nagaoka Fireworks Festival, which lights up the night sky over Nagaoka for 2 nights every summer. To support a more prosperous future, the Nagaoka Field Office will continue to strive to achieve both a stable energy supply and a net zero carbon society.
Energy for a brighter future, INPEX.